So here's what's going on. I recently moved from Florida to Colorado, and now I have to install a license plate in the front of the car. Here's the plastic frame that I'm going to be using. You're supposed to drill the holes here and here to attach it to your car, but I really don't want to do that. So to avoid that, I'm going to use some of this Velcro stuff, zip tie, and some of this thick seal foam that I have left over from when I installed my spoiler. So let me get set up and I'm gonna continue doing the installation. Okay, so the Velcro I added in the bottom, which is actually the top because I'm gonna install it upside down. Here's the up section. I'm going to be installing it this way for convenience. Now, this thick seal foam, I'm gonna install it here to provide some spacing so the plastic doesn't hit my car. I'm just gonna have the foamy thing there. Now remember, this Velcro thing has adhesive on one side, so get it lined up to where you want it and stick it in your car. That's like another option. You don't need to do that. You may want to do double-sided tape, but I'm just doing it so it will hold it for me a little more. So align it where you want it. Now I'm gonna use a zip tie to hold it up here. Now you can cut it, do whatever you want. In my case, I don't care. The plate is gonna be sitting right over it and no one will be able to see it, so it doesn't really matter. Now before you do this, I highly recommend you install the screws first before you do all these installations, so when you install the plate it will be much easier. And I want to show you that the foam, I just wanted it to create a gap between my car and the plastic frame. So now this frame is not rubbing against my car, and that foam is going to protect it a little bit. And now I just have to install the plate. And there you have it, pretty easy. I actually have to get the larger screws because the ones I have are kind of small. But Honda gave me these huge screws, and I really didn't want that on my car. So for now, that will suffice, and then I'm just gonna get slightly larger screws. Right, so this is what it looks like. The good thing is, since it is not fixed in your car, you can actually slide it left or right. I've seen some people that like their license plates towards the left, towards the right. You can do whatever you want. In my case, I really don't care. I just want it in the middle.